Craving your favorite food and want to pay with your Cash App balance? Here's exactly how to link your Cash App to Uber Eats for a super smooth checkout. First things first, make sure you have the Cash App installed and set up on your phone, and that you have funds available in your Cash App account or a linked bank card. Now, open your Uber Eats app and go through the usual process of selecting your restaurant, choosing your delicious meal, and adding it to your cart. Once your order is ready and you're at the checkout screen, you'll see a list of available payment methods. Tap on Add Payment Method. You'll then see various options to add a new card or payment service. Look for the Cash App option. You might see it listed as Cash App, or it might be under a digital wallets or payment services category. Tap on the Cash App option to begin the linking process. You'll be prompted to log into your Cash App account. Enter your Cash App login details, whether it's your phone number, email, or cash tag, and your PIN or password. Once logged in, you'll likely need to authorize the connection between Uber Eats and Cash App. A quick confirmation message will appear after that. Your Cash App account will be successfully added as a payment method within Uber Eats. Now on your checkout screen, simply select your linked Cash App account as your preferred payment method. Review your order total, and with a tap, you've just paid for your delicious meal using your Cash App. It's that easy to enjoy seamless, integrated payments for your food delivery.